Hey, it's Matt from Roosterz. We're going to talk about the ride of the week. It's a hardtail Paco frame trike that we built in-house. This is a custom Paco frame. A customer brought to us hardtail. She wanted a trike made out of it. She supplied the differential rear end. We modified everything from the gas tank rear. It's all hand formed, hand fabricated in-house. Put a DNA Springer front end on it. Got a set of TC Brother bars on it. It came in painted already. The customer matched the paint after we did all the fabrication from the rear back. We put a set of Traeger deep dish 5 stars on it. Spool wheel, handmade, hand turned the spacers for the front wheel. That's a pretty cool bike. That's about it for now. Keep an eye out on the road for this new machine. That's Roosterz Ride of the Week. See you next time.